Fright Haven. Hot 3D action. Boo wah, let's get it done. Day 3. Hey people, this is Stuart Smith from STUARTIZM Designs. Yes, we're at Fright Haven in Connecticut. Bobby Arrow, getting things done, conquer, destroy, domination. Walls are talking to me, that's all I can say. So we're heading in for more today. Hope you enjoyed the first vid. Got another one coming today, so enjoy. Please subscribe, hit the notification button. Got a lot going on, so it could be a big trip. We'll be gone for a month. After Bobby is Arkansas, Texas, Sloss Fright Furnace. Ugh, gonna be brutal. It's okay. And it's only 1,000 degrees here too, so, step outside, burst into flames. It's all part of the adventure, so, hey, appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next vid. Boo-wah. Today, we are going to be doing some faux holographic images right beyond the hallway that I completed yesterday in the other video. So, that is red areas, brick them, make them look like cave walls, and then blue gooey guys on the inside. And as the customers go by, they will pivot towards the customers. It's a very cool looking system, and people really enjoy it. So Charlie's wanting more psychedelic type things, so we're going to be adding those in. So FYI, that's what we're doing today. Boo-wah. All right, people, it is 10:51 a.m. and I have just put white primer down, and now I got red. And these areas will all get detailed out. I might introduce a couple extra colors that will sit there and make it look like the walls are warping. And then in the black areas is where we're gonna put our gooey guys, okay? And as the people go by with the 3D glasses, they will pivot and look like they're moving on their own, which is a really cool effect. So hey, try this at home, try this in your haunt. It's a really cool effect. It's an easy way to cover some walls. It's a simplistic system, but it really works for the clients. So just FYI.